Enter the Digital Peace Factory contest to win cash prizes. Make memes, GIFs, or short videos to inspire Americans to respect the basic human dignity of all people when we talk about politics on social media. This nonpartisan contest will take place the month before and after Election Day in the U.S. The goal of the contest is to generate fun, inspiring content to help Americans listen to each other, to find common ground, to ask questions of others, and to encourage mindful, calm conversations in these anxious times. The contest has 3 easy steps. Think of something you want to say to other Americans about how they can build peace in conversations on social media. Next, you can create a meme, a GIF, or a short video to communicate your message. You can find free tools online to make images like these that can convey peace-building messages. Submit your creation to digitalpeacefactoryus@gmail.com. Then, like and share your digital content at the Digital Peace Factory social media sites. Remind your fellow Americans that from California to New York, and thousands of little towns in between, there are ribbons of highway and bridges that connect us. While Americans also connect online with friends and family, social media has become a superhighway for disinformation, hateful comments, bullying, and conspiracies. Our social media feeds also contain false and inflammatory information created by foreign governments trying to divide us, by people trying to make money off of posting false stories, known as clickbait, and by political advertisers. Without realizing it, others might then spread disinformation and harm. Some might react by leaving angry comments online. Some are like silent bystanders on social media, which ends up letting disinformation and hate spread. We can put pressure on government and technology companies to flag and stop disinformation. And we can all be more engaged digital citizens using effective communication skills to spread positive messages about human dignity. And even if you can't create your own content, you can always try digital upstanding. When you see bullying, hateful, or untrue comments, try using somebody else's Digital Peace Factory meme, GIF, or video, and then just drop it into the conversation. This is a nonpartisan contest, so no references to figures or parties, please. No offensive language or intentions, and of course, no false or misleading information. We've got cash prizes for the best digital content. Prominent peace-building organizations and the media will recognize the top 5 winners. Judging will be based on the quality of the content, how meaningful and creatively it reflects peace-building skills, the virality, how many times the content is liked or shared, and third, public voting for the final round. Be a digital citizen. Build peace in your digital neighborhood.